Hi, come clean our rooms with me. Medyo marami-rami tayong lilinisin for today. Kasi more than 2 weeks na rin since I changed the bed sheets. And I need to tackle my son's room kasi ang kalat and marami nang kailangan i-declutter. So ayan, the first thing I do when I clean is I open the windows para ma-air out yung room and at the same time lumabas yung mga alikabok. There. And also I remove everything on the bed, but I do not remove the bed sheets para hindi maalikabukan yung mattress mismo. And here I'm just trying to make sure na yung novena under my pillow is masecure ko para hindi mawala. And in here, chika-chika lang with my sister-in-law. We were talking about work-related stuff na nagtaka lang kami kung bakit may ganun sa work. So ayan, tiklop-tiklop and finally mapapalitan na to. And I realized na dapat naka-time-lapse pala since ang dami-dami kong ang gagawin and then this video would be too long kung naka-ganun lang, kung naka-normal video lang. And ayan, kinuha ko yung vacuum cleaner pero unfortunately hindi na siya ganun ka lakas. Yung suction power niya sobrang hina na. Ang ingay niya pero yung suction niya mahina na. Ayan, I cleaned muna the top shelves of my cabinet kasi alam ko sobrang alikabok mo. You saw my brother, napaka siraulo talaga. So he stayed there lang and then he knew na I was recording. Nangaasar lang talaga. So ayan, I have 2 beds in the room kasi my son still sleeps beside me and then my husband sleeps on the other bed. So ayan ang pag-vlog, urong-urong, char. Kumuha muna ako ng bed sheets. Ayan, I replaced my husband's bed and yeah, yung mattresses namin kailangan ng palitan but unfortunately we don't have the budget to replace everything at once. Siguro uunti-untiin pero hindi pa in the near future. And itong mattress nito sobrang bigat. We bought this 14 years ago pero yung quality niya is still the same. Matigas pa rin siya. Tignan nyo naman yung hirap ko dyan sa pagtutupi para lang maayos yung bedsheet. Sobrang bigat talaga ng mattress na yan. And pag pinupush mo talagang parang iire. Ganun. Sobrang bigat niya. So ayan. Sana mapalitan to. Hopefully na medyo malambot-lambot naman. Pero okay naman. I don't experience back pains or body pains gamit yung yung mattress na yan. It's from Uratex as well. Pero ngayon nga, ang bigat tsaka antigas. So ayun, tapos na yung master bedroom. Master bedroom na ginagawang tambayan ng mga bata. Ayan. Yan lang. Very simple. Before, ang daming things dito but I transfer them in my office para doon na lahat ng mga gusto ko makita while working. Ito naman is my daughter's room. This was previously my brother's room. My brother and his family, pero they moved out na. So now my daughter took over kasi she has so many things. She is now in senior high kaya a teenager, mas marami siyang gamit. Ayan. She cleaned already. She dusted, mopped, nagwalis na rin. I'm just helping her with the bed sheets kasi minsan natatanggal kapag siya yung naglalagay. So, ayan. And we are trying to rearrange lang her furniture kasi hindi daw maganda gamit or kaya hindi maganda gamitin. And into, this was previously my daughter's room. And now is my son's room. Pero yun nga, hindi niya ginagamit. Everything he needs is still in my room. His clothes. And then, my bed to. Ayan. So, if you can see, wala nang cover yung mattress. Tinanggal ko kasi ang dumi, mabaho pa. Kaya, tinanggal ko na lang. Maintain ko na lang yung isang bedsheet para kahit pa paano hindi siya tatagos dun sa bedsheet na gamit mo. So, ayan, I also had a hard time finding the right angle for the phone kasi nga ang liit ng room. I don't have a phone stand also. Kaya hirap na hirap ako. Nalaglag pa ng ilang beses yung phone para lang makahanap ako ng magandang shots. So, ayan. Natapos ko na linisin yung room ng anak ko. Very simple lang yung room niya kasi hindi niya naman ginagamit eh. And yan na lang yung toys niya. His toys, he gave it to his younger